Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the area. Clean thoroughly with 90% plus alcohol so oils won't prevent adhesion. Next, measure a strip and trim it to fit, leaving a 1 to 2 millimeter margin so edges lay flat. Once trimmed, peel the backing slowly and position the leading edge. Align it precisely where you want it. Press that edge down, then smooth outward toward the opposite side to avoid trapped air. By acting now, you set a seamless base for the next steps. Once the strip is placed, secure it with firm, even pressure. Roll from the center toward the edges to ensure full contact and eliminate any bubbles. Make sure to heat gently with a hairdryer for 3 to 5 seconds if the product recommends it. Warmth activates the adhesive and helps the strip conform. After heating, press again and trim any obvious excess. If corners lift, tuck them under or add a small adhesive tab to reinforce. These steps create a clean, durable bond. To finish, inspect all seams and press each edge firmly for about 30 seconds to set the bond. Once set, avoid water or heavy friction for 12 to 24 hours so the adhesive cures properly. If a corner starts peeling, remove that section, clean the surface, and reapply a new strip. Use an adhesive promoter sparingly when needed. If you get skin irritation, remove immediately and rinse. Finally, store unused strips flat and cool to maintain adhesive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.